So today we're gonna do another Insta360 ONE X2 video. In this one I will try to make some interesting shots. For this I will use only these affordable zip ties. These are releasable, so you can use it multiple times, as you can see, like this. So you just press this thing here and you can release it. So these are quite handy. I will not be using any special mounting gear, just those zip ties, Insta360 invisible stick, and obviously Insta360 ONE X2 camera. Okay, let's go. So the first mounting position for the camera would be in front of the bike, something like this. So I want to attach it on the frame here, as you can see, so that the camera is in front of the bike. And also I will not extend the selfie stick all the way, but only on 4 lengths. In total it is 5 lengths, so for this it will be 4 lengths. That depends on the size of the frame of your bike. So I will just shorten it here. Now it is 4 lengths long, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm gonna attach it here. Okay, that's quite fine. Already I can see that it would be wise to use some kind of protection between the frame and the selfie stick, because you can scratch the frame, as I already did here. So maybe in future I will use some, I don't know, piece of old tire or something like that. Also, by my experience so far with this camera, the best final result of the shot would be if I place the camera like this, like horizontally, not vertically, because sometimes when it is vertical, when it's positioned vertical, it is more safe for it because of the branches and everything that can scratch it. But the picture is not the best one, because you can see a bit of wiggling on the joint point of those two front and side camera. So this way that joint point is less visible, actually not visible at all from my experience. So I will use it like this. Actually I will turn it this way so that I can see the screen of the camera too. So basically the first position for the mounting the camera looks like this. It's not the safest position for the camera, but you must be careful. Also try not to drive on the terrain where there is a mud or little stones that can scratch the lenses of the camera when they fly over the wheel. And the best solution would be to use the case for the camera, I think, or maybe the mud protectors for the bike. But I will just be careful now, and I think it will be fine. Okay, for the next shot I want to get the camera above me, so far away from the subject, and for that I will need to extend the selfie stick all the way, because the best way for shooting with the Insta360 and any 360 camera is to have your subject that you are shooting far away from the camera. So for that purpose I will use my backpack. So I will use this pocket here and the belt here and this little cord that I have here. So I'm gonna mount it like this. So first I'm gonna shorten it all the way so I can put it in the pocket and behind this belt. Actually I'll just do it like this. So, and next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push it through this cord here, extend it. Okay, now I can put back my jacket. You can put back anything you have just to make it more stable. You lock the belt like this, so that is pretty stable now. And now you extend the selfie stick as much as you can, and you attach the camera. The next position to mount the camera would be somewhere on the handlebar, like this, I guess. So something like this, and we will see what kind of shot we can get with mounting the camera like this. Be advised that all those mounting position of the selfie stick and the camera on the bike are not the safest one, but you get the point. You must be careful when you're riding the bike and attach the camera like this. So we're gonna mount the camera. We need the zip ties. Push the selfie stick here like this. Okay, we're gonna attach the first zip tie here. And always be advised that when you're doing this mounting, that you should probably use this protection for the lenses of the camera, just in case, so you don't scratch it. So you apply the zip tie here, and this way it can't go through if you tie it really well. And another one we will apply here. Here is a good place because the selfie stick has this rubber material here, so that it doesn't slip away. And also when you ride the bike, you additionally hold the selfie stick also with your hand, and so you basically ride like this, and the camera is now attached to the side of the bike. Okay, and the last position where I want to position the camera is behind me. So I tried the various types of the mounting here on the bike, but I didn't find one that is suitable enough or safe enough. I tried to put it like this, but that's pretty close to me, so I think that shot wouldn't be nice. Also I could do this, but I think that this also wouldn't be some interesting shot because it's too close to the bike, and also it is even more dangerous than the position when I put the camera in front of the bike. So what I think out here is to extend the selfie stick all the way and to put it on my arm, so like this. So for that I will need 2 zip ties, so I can get it around my arm. So I join the zip ties like this and put it around the arm. So basically you do it like this, and then you pull the selfie stick through and hold it with your hand. Basically the zip tie holds the camera in position, and you can grab handle with the fingers here. You grab the handle like this. You see, you can still hold the selfie stick, and this is the arm, and the camera is behind.